Why does your scanner show the P0049 engine code? What does it mean? P0049 is a diagnostic trouble code for turbocharger or supercharger turbine overspeed. The P0049 engine code indicates that vehicle's computer has detected that the turbocharger or supercharger is spinning much faster than it's safe. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty turbocharger speed sensor, stuck wastegate or VGT actuator, damaged or collapsed vacuum lines, malfunctioning boost control, solenoid, damaged wiring, harness. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ram, Volkswagen, and Kia Stinger. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel